Hello, these are the answers for quiz assignment 9 of week 9 of the course NPTEL The Joy of Computing Using Python. For question 1, the answer is option A. As you can see in the program, I have used an extra complete graph 10 and the output is saved in graph.png. This is the output. So basically nx.completegraph 10 returns a completed graph of 10 nodes where each node has an edge to every other vertex in the graph. So here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 nodes. So the answer is option A. Not B because there's 9 nodes here and graph and digraph do not work in the program. For question 2, the answer is option C. As you can see in the program. This is the output of the program. It is a connected graph of 10 nodes. Since here adding 10 nodes and here we are adding the edges from each node from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, so it's adding edges from each node. And it's not a completed graph since each node does not have an edge to every other node. Hence it is a connected graph since one node has a path to any node in the graph. For question 3, the answer is option D. As you can see in the program, when I run the program, it creates the file in the current directory. So when we try the other commands, we get an error. For question 4, the answer is option B. As you can see in the documentation, the first parameter is the graph, the second parameter is the source, and the third parameter is the target. For question 5, the answer is option A, as I've checked it in the natural language processing content. For question 6, the answer is option B, as you can see in the output of this program. Word underscore tokenize is a function that returns each element from the string. So here if we print tokens, we get this array list. So in the command for each token in tokens, so for each word in the tokens array, if the character in the token, you see in token, is not an alphabet, then we store it in L. So here these are alphabets. 100 is not an alphabet, so 100 percentage dot and dot go in the list L. So the answer is option B. For question 7, the answer is option A, as you can see in the program. If we try the other options, it's not there in the analytical library. For question 8, the answer is option B, image.from array. As you can see in the program, we are reading an image. This is the image. We're storing it in a numpy array, so we can print the array. It shows the dimensions of the image. So now we put the array in the from array function and we print that image. So it shows the image from the array. For question 9, the answer is option D, as in the program. You can see the output here. This is the output of the program. Basically you are defining the dimensions of the image, which you can check here. The dimensions are 200 by 200. Red on top and blue at the bottom. The first parameter acts as the height of the image. So if we change this to 400, the height changes. So that means the first parameter is height. So by splicing it from 0 to 100, we print the red color, and from middle 100 to the end, we print the blue color. For question 10, the answer is option A, as you can see in the video transcript. The instructor said that the accuracy will improve with increase in number of iterations when she talks about the area of Punjab. You can check this in the last video of area calculation. I'm sure of the answers, but you can check this video description until before the submission date. I will update the description with answers if there are any changes. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.